Hello, this is how to make a lo-fi track in Logic Pro X. Every good lo-fi track needs a good rain sample. Good enough to just put that in the background, add some dynamics to it. Every good lo-fi track has got to have some janky keys, gotta add a good old melody in there. To add more of a vibe to this lo-fi track, I added in a party and added in some reverb to make it sound more like it was in the other room. And of course, no good lo-fi song is complete without a beautiful sample. For this, I just ripped a spoken word poem off of YouTube.
Yo, sorry I missed the call. Leave a message and I'll hit you back.
Here's how it all sounds together.
Yo, sorry I missed the call. Leave a message and I'll hit you back.
Hey, I'm kind of glad you didn't pick up. I kind of just called to hear your voice, so your voice recording was enough. I should hang up. What am I doing? So I feel kind of dumb, but I miss you. I've been thinking about you, and I've been thinking about our love